From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. We're under a News 19 weather impact alert day for today. We do have a heat advisory in effect for most of South Carolina and all of the Midlands. For us here across the Midlands, a heat advisory is when the heat index is between 108 and 112 for at least 2 hours or more. So we do expect some dangerous heat later today until 8 o'clock, and you do need to protect yourself and others from these very dangerous heat index values. Stay hydrated, make sure you're drinking plenty of water. Take breaks if you're going to be outdoors, and you may just want to limit your outdoor time at this point. Check on others who may not be able to take care of themselves. And as always, you don't want to leave kids or pets in hot cars. Heat advisory does include most of the Palmetto State and all of the Midlands until 8 o'clock this evening. We're also tracking the tropics. We're watching this area that's going to be moving over the Florida Straits. As it does, it's expected to gain a little bit better development over the next few days. So as it does get better developed, possibly becoming our fourth named storm. Here's the latest as far as those spaghetti models are concerned. This is Tropical Wave Invest 97L. You'll notice it turns more towards the north and eventually towards the north and east over northern Florida. This would be Sunday afternoon. And then by the time we go into Monday afternoon and or Tuesday, it could be off the coast of Florida, Georgia, or maybe even off the coast of the Carolinas. So we'll be watching this very closely over the next few days. Our forecast model doesn't quite go out very far, but we'll pick things up Sunday afternoon. You can kind of see that spin in the atmosphere, some rain in the eastern half of the Midlands. This will be Sunday evening. And then Monday, this is about as far as our forecast model goes. This is early Monday, and you can kind of see that spin there. So lots of uncertainty with this. We're going to have to pay attention to the strength, speed, and track. That could change our forecast drastically. As of right now, time frame Monday and or Tuesday, the moisture is going to increase and our rain chances will continue regardless. At this point, I do believe the moisture will increase regardless of development. But we are heading into really the busy part of hurricane season. You notice we're here and you can see the peak there of September 10th. So far, we've had 3 named storms. If that system gets better developed, it'll be called Debbie. So we'll continue to watch that potential system in the Atlantic. 97 degrees yesterday. Officially no rain at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport, although there were a few stray showers and thunderstorms on your Thursday. The record high for today is 100. We may be close to that. Record rainfall is nearly 2.5 inches of rain. That was 47 years ago, 1977. Can't totally rule out that small chance for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm later today, maybe even into this evening. And then as we look ahead towards Saturday, those rain chances will be on the increase. 2 o'clock or so, widespread shower, thunderstorm activity is expected. 4 o'clock, more the same. This is 6 o'clock. A lot of rain moving across parts of the Midlands and the Palmetto State. And then we'll do it again on Sunday. That moisture, as we mentioned, will be increasing regardless of development. It looks like we'll have that moisture increasing across parts of South Carolina, that tropical moisture. Small chance for severe weather today, tomorrow. Don't think we'll have any severe weather on Sunday, but if we were to get a strong or severe thunderstorm, the greatest threat would be damaging wind gusts. Small chance for storms today. Excessive rainfall with any of the storms that do develop could produce some heavy downpours basically over the next several days, including Saturday, Sunday, Monday, basically along the southern and eastern part of the Palmetto State, right along and just east of I-95. European forecast model shows pretty good chance of rain Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, possibly into Wednesday. Again, this forecast highly dependent on what happens with that tropical system. The American model shows things moving a little bit faster. So the American model, a little bit faster, European model, a little bit slower. Next 7 days, a lot of rain along the coastal region of South Carolina, along and east of I-95, possibly up to 7 inches of rain for parts of the coastal region. Lake forecast, probably not the best lake forecast with those scattered showers and thunderstorms expected both Saturday and Sunday, highs in the low to mid 90s. Those temperatures on Monday, Tuesday, upper 80s to near 90 degrees. But once again, this forecast highly dependent on what happens with that potential tropical system. Today, mid to upper 90s for highs and we are under that News 19 weather impact alert day with just that small chance for a pop-up shower or storm. But the biggest story today will be those heat index values climbing. Beach forecast, once again, probably, we'll say not the best beach forecast for the weekend. Showers and thunderstorms are expected with a moderate risk for rip currents for at least parts of our coast. So that's something you want to pay close attention to if you are going to be at the beach. Here is the Myrtle Beach forecast. And again, this forecast is going to be highly dependent on the track and strength of that potential tropical system. But you'll notice a good bit of rain for the coastal region of the Palmetto State for Monday, Tuesday, even on Sunday down in Charleston. Greenville will have some showers and storms on Sunday, small chance of rain on Saturday with maybe a little bit of rain on Monday. 8 to 14 days out, probably slightly hotter than normal, and it does look like a small chance for above average rainfall during that same time frame. We're only 29 days away from football season. It starts 4 weeks from tomorrow. Labor Day is 31 days away. Fall equinox is 51 days away. And as always, you can follow me on these social media outlets, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You can even follow me on TikTok and X. Have a great weekend.